Welcome to Abhi's channel. This is a video on how the intrinsic value has changed in 2020 for Wipro. We are going to see Wipro Limited in this video. Before that, if you like our videos, please like, share and subscribe. At the same time, we have started an entertainment channel called Sin Boys. So you can go ahead and subscribe the YouTube channel as well as the Facebook page and follow the Facebook page for the same. And it will be helpful for us if you support us. Let's get into the video. First thing when we see for the 2020 intrinsic value updated calculation is that in June 2020, what is the change in the shareholding pattern? That is what we generally see. So basically, if you see in June 2020, the promoter holdings is around 74%. When you see in September 2019, it is the same. It's almost the same, 74.04 and 74.02 is not much of a big change when you consider the amount of share this company is having. So basically, promoters are still having the confidence in the company and they are holding their percentage share in the company. Mutual fund holdings, if you see, it is 2.05% in June 2020, but in September 2019, it was around 1.26. When you look at the percentage range, it is only around 0.75 or something, 0.79% has increased. But the same time, if you look at the percentage increase in the holdings, like 1.26% was the previous holding, that becoming 2.05% is almost 100% increase. Not 100% completely, but still it is almost 75 to 80% increase. Means, I mean, out of the mutual fund holdings, then it is like mutual funds are having a very good confidence in this company and they have increased their holdings. At the same time, if you see domestic institutional holding, DIIs were having, are having 7.6 now. Previously, they were having 6.97%. So it is not much of an increase, but at the same time, did not lose the confidence. FIIs, if you see, they are having 7.84% at present, but previously they were having 8.35%. That could be due to the current situation, the situation that is going on at this point in time. So basically, that could be the reason, like they have reduced the shareholdings to a little extent. Retail holdings, like other parties, if you see, it is 10.52 now. Previously also it is 10.63. So basically, it hasn't changed much. So let's get into the calculation. Wipro Limited is having total number of shares of 571 crores. Current price is 272 rupees. So basically the market capital is in 1,55,000 crores. When you see the asset based calculation, if you take the average 4 years financial 4 years, the revenue was around 54,839 crores in 2019. It the same has increased to 57,284 crores in the recent, in this present, in the last financial year 2020. It is an increase of 4.46%. At the same time, the expenses have increased from 46,584 to 48,862, which is again 4.89% increase. So basically, the revenue and the expense have increased almost the same extent. So it hasn't got transformed into the transferred into the income before tax. Income before tax was previously 8,255 crores and now it is 8,422 crores. So basically, it is 2% of increase. Now, if you see the same thing, the same 2% increase would be there because we are considering a flat tax percentage of 34. So basically, it is like income after tax is increased from 5,400 crores to 5,500 crores, which is almost a 2% increase. When we see the excess cash calculation, in 2019 they had 691 crores and now it is like 930 crores, which is an increase of 34%. So fixed investments has increased 34%, and at the same time other financial assets has also increased to 14%. But at the same time, if you are looking into the current financial assets, investments has decreased to from 22,000 crores to 18,000 crores, which is the 14% decrease, and the cash and cash equivalents has decreased from 15,852 crores to 14,449 crores, which is an 8% decrease. So basically, at the same time, other financial assets has also decreased from 1,400 crores to 861 crores. So when you see the total calculation, when you consider the financial liabilities, it has decreased, but at the same time, current liabilities have increased a little bit, but not to a greater extent, only 0.95%. But at the same time, if you see, even though the financial assets or the fixed financial have increased, the total, when you considering the total financial assets subtracting the liabilities, it has decreased from 14,351 crores to 10,000 crores. So that is a 30% decrease. So because of that, the value we previously calculated for this in 2019 was 152, the intrinsic value, At the same time in 2020 it is like 147. So it has decreased. Whatever the case may be, for the current price of 272, both these values, even in 2019 and 2020, it looks expensive. Let's get into the Buffett calculation. When you check the Buffett calculation, the 4-year average profit for the 2019 was 9.54. It has increased to an extent, small extent of 9.73. But at the same time, the capital expense has also increased. It was 3.48 previously per share, and now it is 3.9 per share. So basically, free cash flow has reduced from 6 rupees per share to 5 rupees 84 paise per share. And earnings in first 3 years, I mean earnings in the 10 years, growth in the 10 years, last 10 years, like 2019 when you are considering the last 10 years, and 2020, the growth has actually decreased. 10-year growth has decreased from 1.65 times to 1.47. So because of that, the value has decreased from previously 2019 it was around 148 rupees, now it is around 140 rupees. So basically, when you consider the Buffett calculation also, the value has decreased from 140 to 140, and when you see here also it is decreased from 150 to 147. Whatever the case may be, the current price of 272 looks a little bit expensive to us, but we are not SEBI approved investment advisors or research analysts. So before investing or taking any decision, you should consult a financial advisor or take up your own decision. Do not rely only on this calculation. Thanks for watching our video. If you like our video, please subscribe, share and like. At the same time, we have started an entertainment channel called Sin Boys. Please subscribe to that channel also. We also have a Facebook page. You can please, it will be helpful if you follow us there also. So thanks for watching video. Thanks again.